Hi there, I'm Dobry, CEO and co-founder of Magnimetrics.
And I'm Ivo, CTO and co-founder.
We are the team behind Magnimetrics, a novel FP&A platform for SMEs and individual business owners globally.
I've always been fascinated with new technology, and I've been developing software for most of my life, mostly in the fintech space. I spent 3 years as part of a team developing a web-based ERP system for SMEs. I have also worked on an app for personal finance and investments and on multiple B2B platforms. This background in financial software engineering and architecture allows me to drive all aspects of the Magnimetrics platform development.
I have spent the last 10 years working at multinational companies and startups. My focus over this time has mainly been on FP&A and financial modeling. At Magnimetrics, I focus on feature ideation, content creation, and business development. Over the years, I've worked on multiple FP&A projects and have tested different tools searching for affordable, easy to learn, and scalable solutions. I couldn't find one, so I talked to Ivo and we decided to build it.
We started working on a cloud-based solution for small businesses and individual business owners to help them address their FP&A needs.
We offer a powerful yet straightforward approach to FP&A using templates and customizable logic. Users initially set up their projects as a one-off exercise to automate recurring analysis and reporting. We also have transparent pricing and seamless onboarding.
We started working on the platform in 2021 and have bootstrapped the release of our live beta, which attracted 300 people in the first 3 months. We aim for a V1 release in H2 2023.
We're looking for a partner to help us scale our platform and deliver it to users worldwide. Visit us on magnimetrics.com or drop me an email at dobry@magnimetrics.com to learn more.